Hello, good morning, how you doing? Got a bit of a cool day today actually, planned all around making videos online. I've ordered some new gear for me to make videos, Joby have sent me a huge care package to check out, and I also want to give you guys some tips that I've picked up along the way about how to make videos. Hey, check this out as well, look what is creeping behind here. I mean, they're pretty hard to miss, this thing is absolutely huge. One of the reasons I'm actually really excited for today is because I've got a new camera coming. I love cameras, they're literally my favourite thing. Cameras are the reason I mainly started doing YouTube, right? And this new little beast that I've got coming to the office, well, I'm absolutely buzzing to check it out. Welcome to the video. So guys, as per usual, we've got a few boxes that we need to get into. This is a Joby Gorilla Pod, look, Joby. And the box literally says on it, what the f is a Joby? Screen protectors and a cool little case. Well, for my little baby iPhone 12 mini, which I'm really liking by the way, this thing rocks. Actually, you know what? Something else I want to unbox first, I think. Whatever's in here is clearly going to be something to do with making videos. And I bought myself something last week, which I think is going to help too. So basically, in a word, say hello to the Sony A7C. This is their brand new tiny little camera that boasts a full frame sensor. As well as that, it also has one of these, a flip out screen. This is the first time in years that I've actually been able to see myself or what I'm shooting on a Sony camera. This is dope. So if I'm to put that there, hopefully it focuses then back on me and then back on the camera, hopefully nice and quick. Okay, this is turning into, I think, a bit more of a bigger deal than what I had originally thought. So we've got what the f is a Joby plastered all over this box, and I think it comes in two sections here. This is so sick, it genuinely feels like Christmas. On a level, this is a little bit mad. I think this is like a... Hang on, is this a kit? So this here looks like a little mini Gorilla Pod. Yeah, so that is a baby version of the one that I use here. Oh, isn't that cute? That's absolutely mental. So it even has these side arms that go on here like so. Wait, hang on, is that a little... That is sick. So this, as far as I can tell, is a complete rig for a phone. So I'm gonna rig my phone into this now. Okay, and there we go. We're now filming on the 12 Pro with the microphone and the LED light. Let me know what this looks like. I'm buzzing to see what this iPhone 12 footage looks like, to be honest. Because obviously this is great for people that use phones, but for people like me, I primarily use bigger cameras. So if they could do this for this, that would be sick. I could genuinely film the rest of this unboxing on my phone, so I'm going to. Oh mate, oh these are OP. There's no way I'm setting that up in here. That is not a good idea. Wait, does that say crystal ball?
Hello.
Well, go on.
Bonjour.
The instructions aren't in English.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
I've never seen anything quite like this before. Joby, I've got to say massive thank you for all of the stuff. Thanks for the care package, this is awesome. And Joby wanted me to answer this question. What the f is my job? I don't even f know.
Fucking hell, it's massive.
It is really big, isn't it? I was struggling to fit it in my kitchen cabinet.
It's a nice little camera, to be fair, isn't it?
Okay, so I'm going to be drifting in and out today, basically. Jed's here, he's in the other room, he's working, he's editing. Look, the best way for me to explain this is like this. Part of my insecurity is that people assume that I'm great and that I know everything, when in reality I know a lot about a little. What I'm trying to say is, this isn't me sat here saying, I'm really good at vlogging, listen to me. Not the case at all. These are just tips. This is sick. So for those of you that don't know where I am right now, this is, well, the office building that my office is in has this huge boardroom, and I'm allowed to use it when people aren't using it. So I thought I'd come in here because it's kind of cool, isn't it? So I'm going to cut out basically all of the bullshit. I'm not going to sit here and say, oh guys, you need to be consistent. Uploading once a month, 12 times a year, that's still consistent. Instead, what I'm going to do is talk about the things that I have personally done along my journey, which I think have yielded some type of return. Now, if you're the type of person to watch YouTube at 2 times speed, or you just want the tips and then you want to go, that's fine, here they are. If you can, number 1, reward your viewer. Number 2, be completely ruthless with your cuts. Number 3, be confident. And 4, speak loudly. I'm pretty sure you'll have a good formula. So take what I'm saying with a grain of salt and just apply it in your own way. What's a reward? Well, a reward could be like this in the form of giving out advice. Or let's say you're doing a review of a product. The reward for the viewer is that they now know about said device that you're reviewing. But it doesn't even need to be that deep. It can be a reward with a great story. It could be a reward with some great cinematic shots, if you like that sort of thing. How did I start out rewarding my viewers? Well, I spent a hell of a lot of time when I started doing videos on the cinematic element of my videos. I would spend hours and hours and hours up through the early morning editing my videos to give them that cinematic look, and that was driven by my, well, appreciation for cameras. I loved cameras. Rewards can come in loads of different ways, and they are completely personal to your channel on how you want to reward your viewers. Does this need to be in the video? This bit? Is it adding any value to this video or not? Be ruthless with your cuts. That is as simple as it is. What I mean by that is when you're editing your video, cut out all the shit. The best way to describe this is my camera has been recording now for 12 minutes. However, I'm probably only going to use 30 seconds of this clip. It's a really simple one. Be ruthless with your cuts. Decide the pace of your video by the cuts and cut out all the crap. Because you see, the main problem is there's so much content out there. This YouTube game, whether you like it or not, it's really, really difficult. Now, confidence and insecurities are a tricky one for me really to talk about, because I'm insecure in a lot of ways which you guys watching this would think Alex isn't insecure in that way, but I am. The thing is with confidence, and quite shockingly, not many people know this, is you can completely fake it. Let's say, for example, I was reviewing this brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max here, and I was saying, yeah guys, it kind of does this really well, and the screen's a bit mad. Or instead I go, guys, the cameras on this phone have absolutely blown me away. One thing that I don't like though is the screen on this thing. Only difference is I'm confident in what I'm saying, or I seem confident in what I'm saying. Oh, and here's a tip. If you really can't nail the confidence thing, power in numbers. Just do videos with your friends, you'll be fine. It probably doesn't seem like it to you, but I'm completely shouting in this room. Like, okay, let's just pretend there's somebody sat in that chair right now and I'm having a conversation with them. I would probably say, hello, my name is Alex, how are you doing today? I would be at that sort of level. But when I turn and talk to the camera, it's like 200% volume. I'm now 200% volume, I'm really loud. I'm gonna reward you for watching this far with one more tip. Make your videos about something, please. Do something about your hobby, right? If you look back on my channel, you'll probably see videos about technology, you'll see videos about cars, you'll see videos about drones. These are all things that I'm interested in, that I am making videos about. Just make sure that before you click record, you know what you want to do. Okay, there we go. I think I'm done. I really do hope that some of you have found that information useful. For now, I need to go back upstairs because I've got tech flow videos to film with Jed. Okay, so you see that huge board that is over there, and I'm happy now that I can point at things because I've got my screen to look at in my new camera. Today's been so fun, by the way. Sucks that it gets dark outside so early now, but I am happy because this is almost like reignited my love for making videos again because I've got a new camera to use and have fun with and explore. But yeah, basically this board over here has all the tech flow videos that we need to film, all of our ideas on it, and we're slowly ticking things off before it gets to the end of the year. I've just come off set now. By the time this video goes up, over on Tech Flow there will be hopefully my thoughts of the iPhone 12 and the Apple brand new M1 Silicon Max. And then this is pretty dope as well. Netgear have sent out their, well, brand new sort of fleet of Wi-Fi 6 gaming routers for me to check out. Okay, I'm back home after a really hard day at the office. It's fun reviewing tech and stuff and making videos, but it's hard work. I'm not gonna deny that. Okay, the time has come for me to try these. Yeah, come and look at these, look. These are mental. Guys. Oh yeah, they're good. So with that being said, thank you for wasting your time watching my face, and I shall, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.